Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be guiding you on how to get started on Astra NOVA. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, please do well to support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Cat built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be in the description box below. Thank you. Now let's get into today's video. Astra NOVA is a pioneering Web3 RPG originating from Saudi Arabia and is a potential airdrop opportunity ongoing by partaking in their social fi task. The link to the task will be in the description box below. So we'll be using Mrs. Browser for this. Once you open your browser, just paste the link on your browser. So all you need to do is log in with X, that's your Twitter, log in with X. Authorize app. So now your Twitter account is connected. Choose username. Choose a username you would like to continue with. So here is it. So you've logged in with your Twitter and you don't get points here, you get shards. Now here are daily tasks you can perform to get shards. Spin daily and stand a chance to win more shards. Update black pass to see position. On the other side you find missions. Click on it. These are one-time quests. Claim your black pass. This one is mandatory. Follow Astra NOVA Twitter. There are so many of them you can perform. And on the bottom you see daily login. You can claim for every day you log in. Now let's claim our black pass. We'll be using MetaMask for this. Click on it. Click on MetaMask. Choose MetaMask. Add the network to your MetaMask. Just click on confirm. Switch network. Got it. Click on missions. Let's check if it's connected. MetaMask. Choose MetaMask. Connect. Sign in, please wait. Sign. After signing on your wallet, you have to just wait for the NFT to mint. Okay, congratulations, you claimed your black pass. All you need to do is make a tweet about Astra NOVA on Twitter and tag the ticker RVV in all your posts to accumulate more points. Just click on claim. So you've claimed. You can perform the other tasks under. You can see the other tasks under. They are also about 40. You can perform them. And here are some daily tasks you can perform. Spin daily. Update black position to see. Update black pass to see position. Here are the. And for referrals, you get 20 shards for each referral. Each person you refer, you get 20 shards. So guys, that's all about the Astra NOVA Twitter farming. If you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section and the team will be available to answer your questions. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.